Meanwhile, I worked on this one. And this is pretty much the style that I want to go for this particular page here. So this is neo colors as the base coat. So base coat is here, for example. Then I do have, or here, better said, this is just base coat. Then I do have the Inktense on top, which is pretty much all of the background. Few of the foreground things here also have the Inktense on top. You can see it best on the roses here, I'd say. And then on top of that, there would be colored pencil for the focal point. So the gravestone in this case is where I started all of this. Here is colored pencil on top of the other two media. So you see how much it stands out even against the quite intense Inktense pencils. Sorry, so this is where I want to go style-wise with this page here. There we go. I think I just need to darken up this part in there, and I'm going to take this sepia ink, which is the dark color that I used there. I'm just going to add it here. This is where you see the dark shadows between the books. So, all right, that was a German lesson. There we go. This is the second layer for Sherlock. Now you can see he's pretty much on the same level as the bookshelves, but by adding another layer to him, he then moves into the foreground quite a bit.